Today we're going to be testing the NCP348GEVB, which is a positive overvoltage protection controller evaluation board from ON Semiconductor. The equipment we're going to be using for today's test includes a DC power supply, 3 multimeters, one set to measure current and the other 2 to measure voltage, and a decade box set at 3 ohms. To begin the test, set your flag power and your enable power to 5 volts and set your V-in to 0.5 volts and turn it on. Next, you want to check your flag power multimeter to make sure it is approximately 5 volts. Next, increase your input voltage from 0.5 volts up to 1.2 volts and check your flag voltage to make sure it goes to 0 volts. The next step is to set your input voltage to 3 volts. Make sure that your flag voltage is still 0 volts, your output voltage is 0 volts, and your input current is approximately 70 microamps. Next, increase your input voltage to 5 volts. Next, unplug your load from your V-out to make sure that V-out goes to 5 volts. Now check your input current to make sure it is approximately 170 microamps. It has to be less than 300 microamps. Next, increase your input voltage to 7 volts. And check that your output voltage goes to 0 volts. Next, change your input voltage to 0 volts and set your enable jumper to the right-hand side location and make sure your flag voltage is approximately 5 volts. This concludes the test of the NCP348GEVB. For more information, visit us online at www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.